sun still rises, the waves still come, but something is missing since the day your love left my island. Me remember the morning you walked away. The sky turned gray on a beautiful day. The island breeze no longer felt the same, because every whisper called your name. We built our dreams beside the sea, made memories just you and me. The palm trees watched our love grow strong. Now they stand where I don't belong. I still walk along that sandy shore, where we promised forever and more. But the footprints we left in the sand are slowly disappearing from my hands. Every sunset reminds me of you, every ocean wave tells me it's true. The love we had was deep and bright, but you disappeared into the night. The day your love left my island was the day my sunshine faded away. The waves kept moving, the birds kept singing, but my heart lost its way. The day your love left my island, I lost the paradise I knew. Now every reggae song I hear still sounds like me and you. Oh girl, my island is lonely without you. Me don't need gold from distant lands, I only wanted your loving hands. You were the rhythm inside my soul, the missing piece that made me whole. Now the moon shines over an empty sea, but it doesn't shine the same for me. The stars above still light the sky, but they don't know the tears I hide. The reggae drums play soft and slow, like a story only my heart knows. A melody of love and pain, a memory I can't explain. The day your love left my island, my heart was broken by the tide. I searched the ocean, searched the skies, but couldn't bring you back to my side. The day your love left my island, I learned some love can fade away, but the memories we made together will never leave my heart someday. Oh Jah, oh Jah. Some people leave with their footsteps, but they stay inside your heart. Some goodbyes are silent, but they hurt the most. Years may pass and seasons change, but your memory remains the same. I'll remember the love we shared, the moments when you truly cared. Maybe one day the pain will fade, maybe the tears will disappear, but Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The moon is shining, the ocean is quiet, but tonight my heart is crying under the reggae moon. Me remember when we danced beneath the stars, holding each other, forgetting our scars. The island breeze was singing our song. I thought our love would last forever long. Your smile was the light inside my night. Your love made everything feel right. But now I'm standing here alone, trying to find my way back home. The palm trees whisper your name, nothing around me feels the same. The waves keep calling from the shore, reminding me of what we had before. Every raindrop falling from the sky feels like another reason why I still search for your love tonight beneath this lonely moonlight. Tears falling under the reggae moon. Since you left my heart too soon, the rhythm plays, but I feel the pain, dancing alone in the pouring rain. Tears falling under the reggae moon. Missing your love, missing you. The stars still shine above the sea, but they don't shine the same for me. Oh girl, I still remember, I still love you. Me walk along the empty beach, looking for the love I cannot reach. The place where we made memories still carries echoes of you and me. The sunset falls behind the ocean blue, and every color reminds me of you. The reggae drums play soft and slow, a broken melody only my heart knows. I gave you love, I gave you my soul. You were the one who made me whole. Now I'm learning how to survive with the memories that keep me alive. Tears falling under the reggae moon. My heart still calls for you. The island feels so cold tonight without your love beside my life. Tears falling under the reggae moon. I never thought we'd end this way, but even after goodbye, a part of my heart still stays. Oh Jah, some tears fall because of pain, some tears fall because of love. And sometimes the hardest goodbye is the one your heart never wanted. Maybe someday the sun will rise and I'll see hope beyond these skies. Maybe my heart will learn to heal from all the pain that I still feel. But I'll never forget the nights we shared, the little moments that showed you care. The love we had was deep and true, a beautiful story of me and you. The ocean waves will keep moving on, even after the love is gone. And I'll keep singing this reggae tune with my tears beneath the moon. Tears falling under the reggae moon. A lonely heart singing for you. The night is long, the road is wide, but your memory stays by my side. Tears falling under the reggae moon. A love song written for you. The world may change, the seasons too, but I'll always remember you. The rain will stop, the moon will shine, but tonight my tears are falling under the reggae moon. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The music still plays, the lights still shine, but something is missing. Every night I see it, that empty chair where you used to sit. I still remember those evenings by the sea, when you would sit right beside me. We talked about forever under the stars, dreaming together no matter how far. Your laughter filled this little place, your smile was my favorite view to chase. The island breeze would blow so slow while our love continued to grow. But now the room feels cold and still, like a song that lost its melody and thrill. I look across and there it stays, a reminder of our beautiful days. Say yes, every night when the moon appears, I feel the weight of all these years. Every memory comes back to me, like waves returning to the sea. The empty chair where you used to sit holds all the memories I can't forget. Your voice still echoes through this room, like a flower that refuses to bloom. The empty chair where you used to sit reminds me of the love we had in it. The world keeps moving, the days go by, but my heart still asks the reason why. Oh girl, I miss you more than words can say. We walk along the beach where we once stood, thinking about the love that felt so good. The sunset shines just like before, but I don't feel the same anymore. The reggae rhythm plays on the radio, a song from a time I used to know. Every beat brings back your name, every note brings back the pain. I gave you my heart, I gave you my soul. You were the love that made me whole. Now I sit with memories in my hands, trying to understand where we stand. The empty chair where you used to sit carries the love I can't forget. The nights are longer, the silence grows since the day you chose to go. The empty chair where you used to sit still feels like you are close to it. Even though you're far away, my heart still waits for you someday. Oh Jah, sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest memories. A photograph, a song, a place, or an empty chair. Maybe someday this heart will heal, maybe someday this pain won't feel real, but I'll always remember the love we knew, the beautiful moments shared with you. The island sun will rise again, the ocean will wash away the pain, but deep inside this heart of mine, your memory will always shine. No matter where your journey goes, no matter what the future shows, a part of me will always care for the love that once sat there. The empty chair where you used to sit still holds the love that Some people leave, but their memories stay. And sometimes the quietest places tell the loudest stories. Like the empty chair, where you used to sit. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah, listen to the ocean tonight. The waves are moving, the moon is shining, but somewhere beneath these waters lies a love story that belong to you and me. Hey, hey. Oh, me remember the days when we walked by the shore, dreaming of forever and asking for more. Your hand in mine, your smile so bright. We believed our love would last through the night. Palm trees danced with the island breeze. Our hearts were free beside the seas. We wrote our names upon the sand, made promises while holding hands. But seasons changed and the tides turned too, and somehow I lost my way with you. The love we built began to fade, like footprints washed away by waves. Every wave that reaches the shore brings back memories from before. Every sunset across the sea reminds me of what used to be. The waves took away our love story, carried our dreams into the sea. The ocean kept all our memories, but left an empty heart in me. The waves took away our love story, the promises we made are gone. But even when the tide has changed, my heart still sings our song. Oh girl, I still remember the love we had. We walk along the beach alone at night, searching for a feeling that once felt right. The place where we shared our first kiss still holds the memory of happiness. The reggae rhythm plays so low, like a story only my heart knows. The ocean breeze calls your name, but nothing ever feels the same. I gave you my love, I gave you my soul. You were the one who made me whole. Now I'm learning how to let go, while the waves continue to flow. The waves took away our love story, but they can't erase what we knew. The ocean may carry our yesterday, but my heart still remembers you. The waves took away our love story, like a message lost in the tide. I lost the love I thought was forever, but your memory stays inside. Oh Jah, the ocean takes many things away: footprints, sandcastles, old memories. But some things stay forever inside the heart. Maybe someday the sun will shine and I'll find peace with the passing time. Maybe my heart will learn to heal from all the pain that I still feel. I'll remember the nights beneath the moon, the way we danced to our island tune. The love was real, the moments were true, and I'll always be grateful for you. The waves will keep moving toward the shore. ocean keeps secrets, the waves keep stories, and somewhere beneath the Caribbean sky lives the memory of the love that the waves took away. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The night is quiet, the ocean is still, but inside my heart I can still hear it. The last words you said, your goodbye, still echoes. Remember the day when you walked away. The clouds covered up the sun that day. The island breeze felt cold and strange, because my world was never the same. We had dreams beneath the Caribbean sky, promises we made that would never die. Your hand in mine, your heart with me. We thought our love was meant to be. Now I walk along the shore alone, searching for a love that once felt like home. The waves keep calling your name, but nothing around me feels the same. Every night when the moon appears, I still feel the weight of those tears. Every song that the reggae plays takes me back to our yesterday. Your goodbye still echoes in my heart, like a song that refuses to depart. Even though you walked away, your memory still remains. Your goodbye still echoes in my heart, a broken melody from the start. The ocean moves, the world goes on, but I'm still singing our love song. Oh girl, I still hear you, I still miss you. Me gave you my love, me gave you my trust, built something beautiful from the dust. You were my sunshine, my morning light, the one who made everything feel right. Now the chair where you sat is empty and cold, holding memories that never grow old. The pictures fade, but the feelings stay. I still remember every yesterday. The reggae rhythm plays soft and slow, a melody only my heart knows. The palm trees whisper through the night, asking why you left my side. Your goodbye still echoes in my heart, like waves breaking us apart. I try to forget, I try to move on, but your love keeps playing like a song. Your goodbye still echoes in my heart, a painful reminder of where we start. Even after all this time has passed, the memories of you still last. Oh Jah, some goodbyes are spoken, but some goodbyes stay forever. Not in the years, but in the heart. Maybe someday I'll find my peace. Maybe these tears will finally cease. Maybe the sunrise will shine again and heal the wounds that remain. But I'll never forget the love we shared, the little moments that showed you cared, the nights we danced beneath the moon, singing our Caribbean love tune. The ocean will carry my pain away, the sun will rise on another day, but deep inside a part will stay. Remain voice will remain the same. Oh yeah, forever remembered, forever loved. Yeah, man. The ocean forgets no story, the wind forgets no song, and my heart still remembers the goodbye that changed everything. Your goodbye still echoes in my heart. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah. The moon is shining, the ocean is quiet, everyone is sleeping, but my heart is still awake, because I still hear your voice in the night. Remember the nights when we sat by the sea, talking about forever, just you and me. The stars above were shining bright, and your smile was my favorite light. You told me our love would never fade, you promised we'd never be afraid. The island breeze carried our dreams away, like a beautiful song we wanted to replay. But now I walk these shores alone, missing the love that felt like home. The waves keep moving, the days go by, but your memory never says goodbye. Every whisper in the breeze brings back memories with ease. Every shadow passing through makes me think I'm close to you. I still hear your voice in the night, like a star that refuses to lose its light. Even though you're far away, my heart still hears the words you say. I still hear your voice in the night, calling my name under the moonlight. The world keeps turning, time moves on, but your voice still sings my love song. Oh girl, I still hear you, even when you're gone. Me try to forget the love we shared, but every place shows me you were there. The empty beach, the old pathway, still reminds me of our yesterday. The reggae rhythm plays so slow, a melody only my heart knows. The palm trees move with the evening air, like they remember when you were there. Me gave you my heart, me gave you my soul. You are the one who made me whole. Now I'm learning how to live again, while carrying memories of when I still hear your voice in the night, a beautiful memory burning bright. The stars above know how I feel, because this love was always real. Still hear your voice in the night, a gentle sound in the pale moonlight. Though our story came to an end, my heart still calls you my friend. Oh Jah, some people leave, but their words remain. Some love stories end, but the feelings stay, because the heart remembers what the eyes can no longer see. Maybe one day I'll find my way, and the pain will slowly fade away. Maybe the sunrise will bring new light after all these lonely nights. But I'll always remember your smile, the way you loved me for a while, the moments I shared with you. The ocean will wash the shore again. The sun will rise after the rain. But somewhere deep inside my heart, your voice will never be far apart. I still hear your voice in the night, a love that still burns inside. Even though you're not here with me, your memory keeps me company, yeah. I still hear your voice in the night, shining softly like a distant light. The years may pass, the seasons change, but your voice will always remain. Oh yeah, forever. Remember, forever in my heart. Yeah, man.